In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up daily reminders in Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to make sure nothing slips through the cracks and that your tasks are always top of mind at the right time of day. To get started, open the board where you're managing your tasks or projects. On this board, look for either a date column or a timeline column. These are the columns that hold your task deadlines or start and end dates, and they're what Monday.com uses to trigger reminders. If you don't see a date or timeline column, you'll want to add one first so that the reminders know which dates to follow. Once you've found the right column, move your cursor up to the top of that column and click on the three dots in the column header. This opens a small menu with options specific to that column. From this menu, look for the Settings option. Hover over or click on Settings, and then select Add or Edit Date Reminders. In some versions, you might see this labeled as Set Due Date Reminders, but it works the same way. When the Reminder Settings window opens, you'll be able to choose exactly when and how often you want reminders to go out. Since we're setting up daily reminders, start by choosing the frequency relative to the deadline. For example, selecting 0 days before means the reminder will be sent on the actual due date. If you want reminders leading up to the due date, you can adjust that accordingly, but stay consistent so your team knows what to expect. Next, set the specific time of day when the reminder should be sent, such as 9 o'clock a.m. Think about when you or your team are most likely to act on these notifications. A morning reminder is great if you want to plan your day around upcoming deadlines. If your workflow is different, choose a time that best fits your schedule. After you've set the timing, choose who should receive these reminders. Select the option to notify someone, then pick the people or teams responsible for these tasks. This could be individual owners, a specific group, or everyone on the board, depending on how you work. Once everything looks good, confirm your choices by clicking Add to Board. This saves the reminder rule to your board so it runs automatically going forward. From now on, Monday.com will send reminders based on the dates and times you've set, helping you and your team stay organized and on track with your daily deadlines.